Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shungu Mupfawa. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want to create a community here. Are your essays all over the place? Or do you just dread writing them all together? Don't worry. In today's video, I am going to guide you step by step through academic writing. Let us turn those scattered thoughts into powerful paragraphs. Let us look at the essay structure. Every strong essay has three major parts. The introduction, which gives your reader a roadmap and your thesis statement. Then comes the body paragraphs. One idea must be written per paragraph with evidence supporting it. The conclusion ties it all together and reminds us why your essay matters. Now, let us look at the Pew paragraph method. Pew helps you structure every paragraph like a pro. The first P of Pew stands for point. What's your argument? E stands for evidence. Back it up with a quote or data. The next E stands for explanation. Explain how your evidence supports your point. And this is where your voice can be heard in literature review or in your own essays. L stands for link. Connect to the next idea so that there is a continuous flow of ideas. Now, let's look at the common mistakes that we need to avoid when doing academic writing. Don't use casual language. For example, a lot or stuff. Don't jump between ideas without transition. Connect your ideas. Always reference and cite your sources. Keep your tone formal and focused. Ready to write like a scholar? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are building academic confidence one step at a time. See you all in the next video. Bye.